In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use clipping mask in Inkscape. A clipping mask is like a precise cookie cutter for your artwork. You draw a shape, place it over the part you want to keep, and Inkscape hides everything outside that shape. It's clean, non-destructive, and perfect for highlighting a subject or fitting graphics into a specific frame. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. When it opens, either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to work. If you already have a project, great. Just continue there. Otherwise, a new blank canvas will do. Next, place your image or object on the canvas. This could be a photo, a vector shape, a logo, or any graphic you want to clip. Position it roughly where you want it to appear in the final composition. Don't worry about perfect placement yet. The clip will refine the visible area. Now draw the clipping shape directly on top of the area you want to keep. You can use a rectangle, circle, star, or any shape that suits your design. Make sure the shape sits over the exact portion you want visible in the end. The fill and stroke colors of the shape don't matter for the final result. What matters is the outline of the shape itself. With the shape in place, select both the image and the shape together. Hold Shift and click the image, then the shape, or drag a selection box around them to select both at once. You'll know you've got them when both show selection handles. Go to the Object menu, choose Clip, and then click Set Clip. Instantly, everything outside your shape disappears, and only what's inside remains visible. You've just created a clean, professional-looking clipped graphic. If you change your mind or need to adjust things later, select the clipped object, go back to the Object menu, choose Clip, and click Release. This restores the original image and the clipping shape as separate elements so you can reposition or refine them. You can also refine the clip without releasing it. With the clipped object selected, switch to the Node tool by pressing N. Click the edges of the clip and the nodes of your cookie cutter shape will appear. Drag the nodes or handles to reshape the clip and watch the visible area update in real time. This is a powerful way to fine-tune your composition while keeping your original artwork intact. That's the core workflow for using clipping masks in Inkscape: quick, flexible, and non-destructive.